You're so smart. I love you. Can you cut your toenails though real quick? Cut your toenail. Mommy's gonna have to get the clipper. You've got one that's too long. Good boy. You're so smart. Good boy. Cut your toenail because it's too long and you don't want Mommy to have to get the clippers. Cut the toenail. Good boy. The only parrot in the world that knows how to cut his own toenails. You're a good boy. Proud of you. I'm very proud of you. Yes, he's still cutting his toenails. He hates me to get the clippers. Oh, he hates the clippers, doesn't he? He says, I'm going to cut each and every toenail so Mommy doesn't go get those clippers. You're such a bad bird. You're such a bad... don't you do it. You stop that. You stop that. You're a bad, bad bird. Oh, you know better. Don't you do it. What you doing? Ooh, quit that. I'm gonna get you. What's he say? I'm gonna get you. Are you funny? You're so silly. You be a telephone? Good boy. You're so silly. What are you doing up there? Are you so silly? Look at this. There, it's a door stop. It's a door kitty tree. Spot. He loves his tree. He loves his tree. There's Ruby. See, I love my tree. Oh, are you a good girl? See, I'm waiting for my forever home. Yes, someone is going to be so happy with you. Oh my goodness. You guys look like bookmarks. Good job. Oh. Oh my goodness. You're so... You made them leave. Oh, Spot. You're such a good boy. Good boy. Good boy. I'm one too. Yes, you are. Everybody loves them. Everybody loves them. You're a good girl. I had to take the doorknob off because she would, like flip it. She'd flip the handle. Silly. You can't go in there while the birds are sleeping. Silly, silly, silly kitty. Oh my goodness, are you a good girl? Are you a good girl? Do you love your door shelf? Is it so fun? You're so cute. Good girl.